Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, but no one go want miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure the orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be.
You see, July 26th, we will be at the BFF Expo at Harmony Beach.
We're going to have merchandise for sale, tights, shirts, tumblers, you name it.
You don't know, I catch you at a lie. Yeah man, we have unity, strength, and we have that is it for each and them. And for the ladies, we have can I get a wow? You see me? And we have shots, glass. You see what I deal with? So the rum drinker them, the bar owner them, check in, get in the shot glass. We out.
You know the whole bartender family and the agency family about there.
July 26th, Harmony Beach.
You never tell a lie, people. And you don't know from Xpressionzja, there are BFIs coming the basket.
Come in, Sean. Come the man.
We're going to teach the crowd what I want. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. Round it. Alright, ready, box. Alright.
Sean, where you go?
I go to Harmony Beach. No, I go and set up.
No, but you
Where
can't
we?
know Sean, we are July 26th, that's you know.
Remember, so we have to go for merchandise them. You can't let nothing, Sean. Sean, remember we have to play our music, you know. And you have to dance. My people, your people, all people. Hope you have a blessed day. Son, plug in about. You don't know, some on the inside, some on the outside. And it's good, same way. It's wonderful. But today we're doing a Cardi. See? And today, it's not about the agency. Premium brand. So we're going dance expression. So you know, so today a dancing day. So I did it. Yeah. So we have 12 weeks out of this dance program. Alright? And it's accredited by City and Guilds. Stay tuned for more info. I tell you now, it's fantastic. And Sean, teach her. Because she says it's better than rock, paper, scissors. Hold on. How you going now?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
So, if me win,
Where's the none? Alright. So you're
no, if me lose, yeah, the fully.
You're me why you.
If me lose, me not.
Hold on. If you lose,
Mm-hmm.
then stand up and two of them so. See? And you hold out the two of them so. Do that, man. Easy, man.
So, hands out.
By your toe first.
No, I'm not going to
Stages, come. Hands out. Rock your head them.
No!
I'm going.
The breeze is over.
I'm going to count to 10.
Alright, wait.
So if you ever drop 10 times, drop 10 times.
Eh?
Now count to 10 while you do that.
Alright, cool. No, if you rock, paper, scissors first. No, I'm not telling you, you're a secret. Come.
So what am I going to do?
Come here, I'm going to push up.
That step there?
Yeah, halfway. So, put up there, sir.
How much push up?
15, come. One hand. Yeah, man.
15?
Yeah, man. You want me to go on 2 sides?
Too sharp. That's it. One hand, you say?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
No, 2 and that, you know.
Well, I know, I'm sitting, sir.
Oh, okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You hold on, come back, you come, your boss. Yes, man.
No, why you couldn't say 10?
Why? I mean, I give you your punishment, your road.
15. Right.
Right.
No rest. Ready again.
Off. Ready.
Paper, scissors. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. I see him to me.
Come. Eh?
I see him to me.
Are you out? No, you're going to try the 2 pint. Come try the 2 pint.
How much I put?
Don't worry yourself. Up there. When boss the same thing, lock your eye. We're about to 10. Go up more.
Say now, count.
Yeah, count.
I hear nothing. Son. Let me drop it now.
Right. 1, 2, 3. Your foot are going down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, man. My round this. Ready?
Your time now, you know. Ready? Set. Yeah, go play it too, man. Set. Yeah, get it from the one. 1, 2. Eyes closed. 1. Where would you rush? Come, come.
Yes.
You never have no mercy for me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep it up there. 4, 5. What is for that? 6. Come up. 7, 8. Good job.
The menu is now out. So people, it's time to choose your favorite meals. How to do so? Send us a DM at Xpressionzja on Instagram, or you can send us a WhatsApp at 1-876-504-8773. Plus, don't forget the big bad after party. Listen, place your orders now. Orders close off on August 8th. See you there.